endless things that I beg her not to share. So I don't notice that my heart is losing focus. I think I've said too much, and now we're losing touch. So sorry you caught me, but she's lovely. This water runs thicker than your blood. Darkness leads the way as you're trying to escape. This water runs thicker than your blood. Darkness finds a way as it's overtaking me. On hands and knees, begging not to leave her side. She wonders why tomorrow won't bring happy endings. She's pretending and can't understand. I avoid these complex phrases she keeps mistaking as she hangs on every word I say. So sorry you caught me. You should have seen this come a mile away. You love me, but she's lonely. You can't change the mind that I have made. This water runs thicker than your blood. Darkness leads the way as you're trying to escape. This water runs thicker than your blood. Darkness finds a way as it's overtaking me. Four letters you're mistaken could only go so deep. It's better when you're sleeping. I'll suffocate your dreams. This water runs thicker than your blood. Darkness leads the way as you're trying to escape. This water runs thicker than your blood. Darkness finds a way as it's overtaking me. Taking me. I'm up all night, got your first words heavy in my head. Lips are moving though I can't hear a single thing that's been said. It starts with suicidal breathing, an air like poison that stops the healing. You died before you saw the light, let the darkness take you in. I can't in this decade. Life is see-through paper mache. Can't disguise all of these demons. Closets build up into the ceiling. Split them all, these walls start folding. Who's exposed? You're so wide open. These blinds that hide a window kept closed so no one sees right into a room. You've built up quite a tomb. Despite a promise to the year, the words you're speaking out sound insincere. I won't impose, you're so secluded. Apologies on a note that reads, well, I'm high up on this ledge, trying to embrace the breeze. I'll see you at the bridge when I'm feeling something frigid in an almost endless air, and I don't dare meet you at the bridge. Despite a promise you create, the words you bend and break sound so sincere, but you've got nothing to prove. Apologies on a note that reads, well, I'm high up on this ledge, trying to embrace the breeze. I'll see you at the bridge when I'm feeling something frigid in an almost endless air, and I don't dare meet you at the bridge. Apologies on a note that reads, well, I'm high up on this ledge, trying to embrace the breeze. Apologies on a note that reads, well, I'm high up on this ledge, trying to embrace the breeze. I'll see you at the bridge when I'm feeling something frigid in an almost endless air, and I don't dare meet you at the bridge. Mistakes take a turn for the worse. The sweat on your hands and you're starting to swerve. You've rehearsed this a million moments before. You can tell if the road starts to bend, lines in the street that you can't comprehend. A light in your eyes, too late to ignore. Now you're fighting to keep conscious, and nothing breaks the silence until there's a voice yelling out, someone help me, can anyone help me? You're defenseless, but you hear her, and you just can't make out any of the words. Wasn't it enough? Wasn't it just so bad? the cars collided, Robin says you kept were broken. Her last words were left unspoken. And as the cars collided, and as the cars collided, little lovers waiting restless, ghost notes were never sent. If lovers stay true, lost love will find its way again. Lost love will find its way again. If lovers stay true, lost love will find its way again. If lovers stay true, lost love will find its way again. If lovers stay true, lost love will find